Good morning guys, this is JE again and welcome back to Vlogsetter. So today it's Saturday and sabi kahapon nung tour guide natin that it's going to be colder today and looks like yan, walang araw and it's sort of gloomy. I'm not sure the temperature yet pero mukhang totoo ang chismis that it's going to be colder. By the way, we're just preparing because we are going to visit Otaru today. It's going to be free and easy, wala kaming tour, and let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. Nine o'clock na guys ng umaga and pagpaakyat sa second floor. That means we are going to the breakfast place. So nasa breakfast na ulit tayo guys and walang mintis. It's all the same set of food. So let's eat. Tingnan niyo yung weather outside. It looks like parang Christmassy. Yan, walang araw today and the sky is gloomy. And then ito yung breakfast natin. I'll share with you guys kung ano yung usual nilang food here. So they have here, this is nuggets. I'm not sure kung saan siya gawa, kung seafood pa siya or meat. For chicken, this is sausage. Meron ding vegetable salad. Tapos of course, the fried chicken. And then may siomai, like this one. And yung mga egg rolls. Tapos syempre, itong nandito is the staple miso soup. Meron ding noodles, meron ding mackerel, and then also fruits and bread, pancake. So madami namang food. We're done with breakfast guys and we're headed to the subway. Again, what we're planning to do today is to visit Otaru. And no specific game plan, but just to go there and explore the area. It's really super nice weather today guys. Sana ganito lang yung weather natin hanggang mamaya para hindi tayo basa ng pawis like kahapon. So nakabili tayo ng ticket guys. This one is from Sapporo to Otaru and we can use this anytime. Dito na tayo guys sa Otaru and this is the Tourist Information Center. Yan, after a few minutes of walk, we're here in Otaru Canal. Kanina doon, ayan, may boat coming in. Yan, kanina may naglo-load din doon na dalawang bangka pa. And yung isa, pabalik natin, tingnan natin. So may nakita kaming melon na nakapaskel in this tiny store. Yan, but I'm not sure kung ano yung isi-serve. Pero ito yung itsura niya sa picture. Mamaya na? Huh? May nakita kaming Otaru beer at free admission yung tour dito sa second floor. Let's check it. So para siyang may balcony tour. Pero dun sa baba, ayun yung kanilang restaurant. So it's nice. So pwede may pumapasok ng mga tourists here. Dito sila naglalakad sa trail na to, going around, and then down there may mga kumakain. Dito kami guys sa area ng Otaru Pier. May mga kaganapan doon sa other side. May mga stalls of food, meron ding mga live band performance. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. And now we're here sa Otaru Tour Boat Pier. We'll check kung meron tayo makukuhang cruise. May mga ano naman eh, may iksi lang like 45 minutes. We're checking. Just this. So may na-purchase coming around the port cruise, and that's going to happen in 1:30. Ano pa lang naman? 12:50 in the afternoon. So nakigaya tayo sa mga nakaupo dito sa lansangan. Look. Madaming mga nakaupo. And madami ding mga stalls here actually, pero walang mga English names. That is why hindi kami makabili, hindi namin alam kung ano yung mga binibenta nila. But I found this one, nasabi choco banana, so I'm sure that this one is banana. Ito yung tsura niya. This is 400 yen. And dito lang siya sa tapat, pakita ko sa inyo. So technically, it's a choco dip banana. At dito tayo kumakain sa literal na bangketa. So this is literally saging na may tsokolate. Tapos may sprinklers. This one naman guys, 800 yen. At syempre ang hirap kainin kasi mainit, tapos nandito lang tayo sa bangketa. Nakabalik na tayo guys dito sa waiting area, and nakikita nyo ba, kami lang ang tao dito. So yung ticket na binili namin is 120, and that's going to be just around the port. So ang tawag sa kanya is around the port cruise, and that's going to be like 20 minutes, 40 minutes pala siya. At nag-drizzle na ng tuluyan guys, and papunta na tayo dun sa cruise natin, and looks like tayo lang at wala tayong kasama. Wala tayong halang guys, kasi wala namang ibang pumila actually, so tayo lang laman itong. We're here inside guys, at may pagtatanggal ng sapatos. Ayan, may kasama na tayong isa pa guys. So tatlo na tayo dito. Kaming dalawa, tapos may pangatlo. Ganito yung itsura niya guys, oh. So may parang long table here. Tapos yung upuan nandito sa floor. Ayan. And mukhang may hinihintay pa naman. So let's see kung meron pa tayong iba pang makakasama here. At nagliligpit na sila ng ano, yung dinaanan natin kanina. So looks like tayo lang talagang tatlo yung magko-cruise. We're moving na. So parang Japanese lang yung explanation, pero they do have this material here na may English. So yung first daw na pier that we will see on this cruise is yung Ironai Pier. Nakaka-antok yung cruise. Masaya lang. Parang pwedeng matulog naman kasi may mga unan. May paparada sila guys. Abangan natin to. Dito na sila guys. Ayan po ang yellow delegates. At paparating na po yung mga black delegates. So that was it. Yung pinakahuli, konti lang sila, the white delegates. I'm not sure what festival it is, but kanina po may papari dito. Tapos dun sa dulo meron ding parang live concerts. And we're leaving the pier area. Babalik tayo dun sa yung may kanal na pinanggalingan natin kanina when we arrived here in Otaru. May another one guys na huling delegates. Ito sila. Yan. Meron pang green team guys. Ayun sila. Papunta pa lang sila dun sa pier. Ano kaya yung festival guys? Today is 26th of July. Baka naman mga school fair lang. Ang dami kasi mga bata. So sabi ni Google, it's Otaru Pusyo Festival. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation, pero ayun yung nangyayari now, 26th of July. At ang daming mga delegates na mga parang nagpaparade towards dun sa kanilang activity area dun sa pier. Check natin yung ramen store here sa second floor kung open. So may nakita kami dito ang mini restaurant sa second floor. At dito kami mag-late lunch. Actually, it's already 3 PM. So check natin. It's actually a ramen store. This will be our view habang kinakain natin ang ramen. Here comes our ramen guys. Ito yung mini Itong isa, yung seafood ramen. Magabang tayo guys kasi may pag-giveaway. Naabotan tayo nito. Para siyang wet wipe. Ayan pa. May pa-alkansya naman this group guys.
머리만 그래 요게야. 날조 방송이다. 나도 때.
Hey guys, may nakita kami Mr. Donut here for our late na dessert. So we have donuts and coffee. We are back in Sapporo Station guys at nakakaantok. Mag-aalas 7 na ng gabi and so we might just be looking for something to eat for dinner and then we'll head back sa hotel natin. We found Matsuya guys. Andito kami ngayon. Ito din yung kinainan namin when we were in Tokyo or madalas namin kainan when we were in Tokyo. And andito ulit kami. Let's try the food. So nandito na yung food guys. Ganun pa rin siya. And you have the option to make this one large without dagdag sa presyo. Itadakimasu guys. This is sulit. Kasi ayan ang laki ng kanin. So pag gutom na gutom ka, you could actually order this set and go home very full.
Cracky.